In a world of fast food, fast fashion, and fast furniture, we need to pause and rethink. What is truly important to us? What would we like to preserve? What would we like to change? In a world defined by acceleration and disposability, the time has come to redefine furniture design. Coomo is more than a sofa. It is founded on the principles of refurbishment, reuse, and recycling. Its revolutionary construction allows every single component to be replaced, enabling the furniture to be repaired, renewed, and extended in life. Coomo is built on a 100% recyclable sub-construction. Nothing is glued. This allows Coomo not only to be used longer, but also to be easily passed on and brought back to life. With 3 distinct modules, a single element, a corner element, and a poof, you can create, adapt, or expand a wide range of compositions for indoor and outdoor spaces. For Bene, sustainability means that every piece of furniture is given a new beginning, time and again. Throughout generations, Coomo allows to create a new story. And if it's up to us, the story will never end. Coomo, a never-ending story.